Yoruba nation now. Now. Yoruba nation now.
àti débi tá à ń sọ nígbà tí wọ́n máa ṣe census lọ́jọ́ kìíní wọ́n ní Yorùbá nation wọ́n ní àjùbí tí báyìí lọ wọ́n ní àwọn kan tó wà ní Kánò wọ́n ní wọ́n tẹ̀sí ń jó tó pọ̀ jù wá lọ tabadẹ̀ wò ó káàkiri àgbáyé ibikíbi tí omi bá ti wà kò sọ fún ẹ̀ ní ibẹ̀ ni àwọn èrò máa ń wà. Yorùbá nation dẹ wọ́n ti wá rò pé bóyá Yorùbá nation bóyá àwọn Yorùbá ibi àdúgbò mi ní Ìjàyè l'Abẹ́òkúta nìkan la wà wọ́n mọ̀ pé a ti tàn kálẹ̀ gbogbo àgbáyé ṣé ní ọ̀rọ̀ Brazil la fẹ́ sọ ni àbí ọ̀rọ̀ Cuba la fẹ́ sọ ni àbí Trinidad and Tobago àbí ní Venezuela àbí Argentina gbogbo bẹ̀ láti tàn ká ilé ayé yìí.
We are gathered here today at the capital, the state of California, United States of America. We are here at the step of the capital of this mighty building. We have great ideas, great talent, great people historically. The civilization of our people are a lot of things to be talked about. But today, the nation, the group of people known as Yoruba, they are being relegated. Enough is, we want our own country. We want our own self-determination land where we can use our talents to build our nation. Yoruba nation now. Yoruba nation now.
Àtúnṣe fún wa. Yorùbá nation àtúnṣe fún wa. Yorùbá nation àtúnṣe fún wa. Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà tí a ti jẹ́ Yorùbá. Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà tí a ti jọmọ Oòduà. Yorùbá nation àtúnṣe fún wa. 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 Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà tí a ti jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá. Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà tí a ti jẹ́ ọmọ Oòduà. Yorùbá nation àtúnṣe fún wa. Àtúgbèdè. 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 Yorùbá nation.
ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti kúrò lọ́rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè ó ti di ọ̀rọ̀ orí ìrun tiwa àní pé orí ìrun Yorùbá nítùbá nítùsẹ̀ ní wíwọ́ ní fífà ó di dandan ti dán a ó gbà á. ṣé ẹ rí orílẹ̀-èdè tí a ti ń bá bọ̀ ìyànjẹ ìrẹ́jẹ ìgbanilójú ìfanisẹ́yìn òun ló pọ̀ ń bẹ̀. a ò tiẹ̀ ní kí wọ́n má pín ẹran ohun tá à ń sọ ni pé ẹyẹ fi eyín pẹran fún wa ọbẹ̀ ogun. Yorùbá nation Yorùbá nation Yorùbá nation.
This is Brother Val from Trinidad and Tobago. This is Yoruba in the Caribbean. So he's come here today to give us a support. So you can hear that is one of the songs is really like.
láti ọjọ́ ọdún àwọn òṣàṣà ọmọ Odùduwà láti ọjọ́ ọdún àwọn àníràlì bàbá.
No election 2023. No election 2023. No election. Omi ló máa gbé wọn lọ.
Democracy and the awakening. Firstly, I would like to crave your indulgences that we observe a 1 minute silence for the victims of the recent massacre and for all departed heroes who fought in whatever way they could for a greater life of Yoruba people. 1 minute, please. Thank you. I extend heartfelt greetings to people all over the world. All protocols are duly observed. I will try to make this brief since we do not really have the luxury of time and of other resources. The reason we are all gathered here today is to commemorate an unforgettable day in history of Nigeria. The history of Yoruba people, the history of men and women who stood up tall in the face of tyranny, history of men who paid the utmost price, laying their lives for democracy in Nigeria. The memory of late Chief Moshood Kashimawola Ali Abiola, the Yoruba man who won a free and fair election to become the president of Nigeria, but was compensated with death. This is so sad. So, you said it?
Very, very sad.
Yeah. So sad.
So sad.
Pathetic.
So sad.
Very, very sad.
So
Very,
sad.
very pathetic.
Orílẹ̀-èdè mi á dúró torí ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Odùduwà nation á dúró, òmìnira á dé. Orílẹ̀-èdè mi á dúró torí ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Odùduwà nation á dúró, òmìnira á dé. We say no to incessant killing of our people in Yoruba land.
No.
We say no to bloodshed on our land.
No.
We say no to our massacre.
No.
We say no to everything that is not good on our land.
No.
Yoruba nation.
Now.
Yoruba nation.
Now.
Yoruba nation.
Now.
We are here today for one reason, and one reason only, is to tell the Parliament for the last 108 years, we've been told lies. We've been deceived that we are Nigerians. We are